What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize and run a business enterprise, along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new businesses. Example of entrepreneurship. Let's review what we've learned. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a new business and usually risks his own money to start the venture. Examples of well-known entrepreneurs include Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Pierre Omidyar, Arianna Huffington, and Katarina Fake. Concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize and run a business enterprise, along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new businesses. In economics, entrepreneurship connected with land, labor, natural resources and capital can generate a profit. The entrepreneurial vision is defined by discovery and risk-taking and is an indispensable part of a nation's capacity to succeed in an ever-changing and more competitive global marketplace. Meaning of entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administer and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it, to make profits. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business venture. The entrepreneurs are often known as a source of new ideas or innovators, and bring new ideas in the market by replacing old with a new invention. It can be classified into small or home business to multinational companies. In economics, the profits that an entrepreneur makes is with a combination of land, natural resources, labor and capital. In a nutshell, anyone who has the will and determination to start a new company and deals with all the risks that go with it can become an entrepreneur. What are the 4 types of entrepreneurship? It is classified into the following types. Small business entrepreneurship. These businesses are a hairdresser, grocery store, travel agent, consultant, carpenter, plumber, electrician, etc. These people run or own their own business and hire family members or local employee. For them, the profit would be able to feed their family and not making 100 million business or taking over an industry. They fund their business by taking small business loans or loans from friends and family. Scalable startup entrepreneurship. This startup entrepreneur starts a business knowing that their vision can change the world. They attract investors who think and encourage people who think out of the box. The research focuses on a scalable business and experimental models, so they hire the best and the brightest employees. They require more venture capital to fuel and back their project or business. Large company entrepreneurship. These huge companies have defined life cycle. Most of these companies grow and sustain by offering new and innovative products that revolve around their main products. The change in technology, customer preferences, new competition, etc., build pressure for large companies to create an innovative product and sell it to the new set of customers in the new market. To cope with the rapid technological changes, the existing organizations either buy innovation enterprises or attempt to construct the product internally. Social entrepreneurship. This type of entrepreneurship focuses on producing product and services that resolve social needs and problems. Their only motto and goal is to work for society and not make any profits.